So, I have a face mask on and I can't really talk, and so I have a face mask on and I was putting it in my hair too, and because I did that and I did the face mask first, what happened was this dried. And I always talk about not letting it dry, and then you guys see, but yeah, I'm gonna show you this new thing I got. It took 2 months to get here basically, and so yeah, I'm gonna go wash it off. I'll be back. Hey guys, welcome to Jae'S. I guess I hurt my finger by walking into the wall because that's what I do. So these are all the like sizes for the type of skin, skin you have, but also the types of pores or blemishes or black and white heads you have. I only have white heads on my nose, so I use this small one, and that's a little better. So I'm using the smallest one, as it says the mini head is best suited for sensitive skin and skin with less blackheads, and I have a few here, so we go see. I have a few of those. It's oily. I don't know if it's oily. I don't know. Use in a sweeping motion for once. I'm sorry, but I got focused. I can't look at you right now. I see them coming out. See those white? I want to see if it's bruising, because it says your sensitive skin can bruise. Is that a bruise? That better not be bruised. I don't have many blemishes on my face like that. I mean blackheads. When I wanted this product, I did, but I don't know how they got away, but they did. And honestly, I just think this is pulling out more of my foolishness. Let me try a bigger one. I don't have much blackheads, but if you do, this is actually the product for you. Because when I tried this one, like it sucks out to something there, but I don't need the big ones. That's alright. I'm gonna try a little bigger head, because baby girl, nothing's happening. Oh, there we go. Ooh, they're actually leaving. Wow. Is kind of, it's also no. Okay, let me put my shirt on because my face a little dry. Okay, I'm gonna go wash my face. It's like dry now, like really dry. I'm gonna use I already washed it for the face mask basically, but I'm gonna put my spectral cleanser and then do my thing. And if you want to see what I do, watch my skincare routine. So I'm back. I washed my face, still wet. I'm just gonna let it dry while I talk to you. as I don't really towel dry, and you would know that if you watch my skin routine video, but I'm just gonna review it now. So personally, I think it's good. At first I'm like, this is a scam, and it was a scam because it took years to get here. And so I wasn't having that, and I wasn't with that, right? Putting some Blistex on, and you know, I just don't think that was cool. But I understand COVID, you know. But honestly, if you have blackheads and whiteheads, get this. And I'm not saying that like this video isn't sponsored, so I think it's really good. Because while I was gone, I went back in the washroom to actually wash my face again. I was using it to see closer in the mirror, and I can literally, when I push my nose down, I could see the whiteheads starting to come out. And so I got it on a higher mode and just, you know, and it came out. So I'm gonna keep using it. I don't want to use too much in one day, obviously. I don't want to like wash out my nose or bruise it like here or anything. So I'm just gonna chill out. You can't use this when your skin is wet, by the way. So it says this Microdermabrasion kit user manual. They say the benefits result in as little as 1 session. I do feel a little soft, feels a little smooth. Not gonna lie, feels a little smooth. Suitable for all skin types. That's important. Clear up acne and blemishes. That's important. Reduces excess oil and dirt in the skin. And decreases pore size. So I'm gonna get a little vitamin E. Just a little bit, just like, that's it. Oh, some drop a little bit. Then I go like this, I go like this, I go like this, I go like this. I usually don't even put this on with my mask, but I wanted to put some on because, you know, I was treating my skin. Can you just, okay, now you can actually see my skin when it's moisturized but not dry. But, wow, she has color and not ash. Kind of oily. So now I'm going in with my Restore Happy Hippo Magnesium Cream by the Bath Company. The bottles kind of mush up. When I was moving out of my place at school, it went through a lot. So just a little bit petite boom. Period. That's all you need. This is actually really bright and shiny too, so my face is gonna look extra oily, but when I wake up it won't look extra oily. It's a night cream. I'm using one hand, by the way, because I cut my finger while just walking. I was walking down my hallway. Oh god, feels so good. I don't know if I'm gonna regret changing the lighting. So my hair is deep conditioning, and I'm gonna wash it out at night. I hope this video is short, and if it's not, I'm sorry. My mini Microdermabrasion little review from Lux Skin. I'll link their IG down below and their site where I got it. Honestly, this is Emily Hembrell's fault because she made me do it. She did. Okay.